Hello YouTube, welcome back to the Web Gear Review. I am your host, the Web Gear Guy, and today I would like to take a look at another Cold War kit item from the Bundeswehr, the West German Army. Now what we're looking at here is some very early MP2 ammo pouches. Okay, the Bundeswehr adopted the UZI and called it the MP2 in 1959. These are very early first pattern UZI pouches right here. These babies are basically about 3.5 inches wide, about 8 inches tall, and as you can see, about 1 3/4 thick. Now, these canvas pouches here, they had a belt loop on the back. They had a place for the braces or your suspenders to hook into right there. And they had this quick release strap on it right here, which is in British style fashion. You can see that. And then it was designed to hold 3 UZI magazines that held 32 rounds of 9mm. That's 9x19 ammunition. Now, these here pouches here, like I said, were used early on, probably in the late 1950s. Of course, it was adopted in 59 in the early 60s. Later on, they began to use the second style pattern pouch. But anyway, let me show you how these would go on the belt. Now, right here, we have a combat belt. Now, this is very simple. They would just simply slide on like that, and then just go right through there. You'd put a couple on your belt and on your pouches like that, and they would just simply slide around, and you'd buckle, and then your braces would simply just hook in right there. But there you go. There's some first pattern UZI MP2 pouches from the Bundeswehr, the West German Army. Thanks for watching the Web Gear Review.